Hey, welcome to another episode of Atkins Diet. My name is Kent Altston, and I want to thank you guys for sticking along with me. So the last time I made a video was at the end of March, and big things have happened since then, and not all of them I can discuss in this video because it would just simply make the video too long and you guys would never watch it. But you want to lead with the front story, and the front story is I did indeed make it to goal. So I did a body composition challenge with my gym, which I ended up winning, and at the end of that challenge I weighed in at 225 pounds. So I did lose 112 pounds since September 7th of last year, but within the year that I intended to lose the weight. So great news, I'm back at goal. Perfect. So how did I make it to goal? So shortly after I made the last video, I had a slight change in diet. If you watched my last video, I was basically doing Atkins extended induction. Not very rigorous counting. I wasn't even following my macros. Basically, I knew what I could eat, and I ate less than 3 cups of vegetables per day, and I was good. So about that time, on the Keto Hacking MD podcast, they did a high protein challenge. And that was always something that intrigued me, was could you do more protein than, say, the standard 1 gram of protein to 1 gram of fat that sort of Atkins supports. And as part of that high protein experiment, it was a 3 grams of protein to 1 gram of fat challenge, and did that for a week, and what do you know, the pounds came off. So I lost roughly 2% of body fat that week and about 7 pounds of body weight, which was somewhat amazing considering I was about 30 weeks into my diet. So I said, hey, that's great. Maybe that's indicative that I should be eating more protein in my diet, especially as I was lifting weight and I was seeing a lot of delayed onset muscle soreness. So from that time on, I was eating roughly a 2-to-1 protein grams to fat grams ratio. If you looked at the macros or percentages, of roughly 45% of my calories were coming from protein and 55% was coming from fat. I'm not a big percentages guy. My recommendation is to perhaps have a protein target. So with that protein target, I targeted 1 gram of protein per pound of ideal body mass, which was for me 240 pounds. So every day I would hit 240 pounds or 240 grams of protein, and then I would have that for the amount of grams of fat I should have for that day. So half of 240, easy math, is 120. And then I consistently did the 20 to 25 grams of net carbs per day, and really the weight just consistently dropped after that. I never had long extended stalls. Every month was roughly between 3 pounds to more often 8 pounds lost per month. So really a good consistent weight loss all that time. In terms of my muscle or my weightlifting, have only seen increases there. I won't talk about my strongman competitions, but the short answer is I got really enthused about seeing my wife win a strongman competition, and I actually did one in September. Good things are happening in terms of my weightlifting. In terms of my running, when we last talked, my fastest 5K was 27:55. I have since completed my 5K challenge of getting 100 5Ks ran, and I did that this past weekend, so roughly 2 months before I had to. And my fastest 5K has gone down from that 27:55 to 23:30. So again, dropping about 3.5 minutes off that 5K time. I've also done multiple long runs getting ready for the half marathon, which is in a week and a half. We'll talk about that in one of my future videos. So in the running side and the endurance side, all good things. So really, I only have positive things to say at this point. I hope this reaches everyone in great health. I hope you guys are seeing the same success that I have. And let me know if high protein keto or high protein Atkins is something that you want potentially more information about. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you guys later.